Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'll show you an easy way to add a notepad to any web page while you're browsing. No extensions or apps needed, just one line of code. Let's get started. Here's how it works. When you click the bookmark, a notepad instantly pops up on the page. You can type whatever you need, ideas, to-dos, anything. When you're done, you can save your notes as a .txt file with just one click. And if you don't need it anymore, simply close the notepad. It disappears without affecting the page. To set it up, copy the JavaScript code from the description, create a new bookmark in your browser, and paste the code into the URL field. That's it. Click the bookmark whenever you need the notepad. This tool is perfect for quick notes while researching, studying, or working. Try it out and let me know how you like it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cool tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.